Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use an oxygen sensor wrench. This specialized tool is crucial for safely replacing your vehicle's oxygen sensors. Using the correct wrench, typically 7/8 inch or 22 millimeters, helps avoid damaging the sensor's delicate wiring. Before you begin, always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and safety glasses. You will also need a standard ratchet to attach to your oxygen sensor wrench for leverage. Let's get started with the preparation. Now, let's tackle removing the old sensor. First, locate the oxygen sensor within your vehicle's exhaust system. There might be more than one. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its release tab and pulling it apart. If the sensor appears corroded or stuck, apply a penetrating lubricant to its threads. Give the lubricant several minutes, perhaps 5 to 10, to work its way into the threads. This step is vital for easier removal and preventing damage to the exhaust bung. With the old sensor out, it's time to install the new one. Apply a small, pea-sized amount of oxygen sensor-safe anti-seize compound to the new sensor's threads. Be very careful not to get any on the sensor tip or sensing element, as this can affect its performance. Start threading the new sensor into the exhaust bung by hand to ensure it's not cross-threaded. Once hand-tight, use your oxygen sensor wrench and a torque wrench to tighten it to about 35 foot-pounds for a secure fit. You're almost done. Reconnect the electrical harness to the new oxygen sensor, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Take a moment to secure any loose wiring with zip ties, keeping it away from hot exhaust components or moving parts. If your vehicle had a check engine light, use an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to clear any diagnostic trouble codes. Finally, take your vehicle for a short test drive to confirm the new sensor is functioning correctly and that no new codes appear. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.